Hello powerful energies, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chetna. In this video, I'm going to talk about forgiveness, and towards the end, we will practice a beautiful meditation on forgiveness. If you're here for the first time, I, Pure Soul, am a certified healer and life and wellness coach. I have written a book called Chetna, Vibrational Energy, which greatly benefits your daily well-being. You can buy it from the link given in the description below. Let's understand forgiveness and experience it. What is forgiveness? Forgiveness is like a gift you give yourself. It's not about saying what happened is okay, but about letting go of the anger and hurt that can weigh you down. It is choosing peace over resentment and freeing yourself from the burden of holding on to negative emotions. By forgiving, you release the heavy emotions tied to a hurtful event, allowing yourself to move forward with a lighter heart. Forgiveness doesn't mean you are saying what happened is acceptable or okay. It is not excusing the actions, but it is about your response to them. Acknowledging that something was wrong while still choosing to forgive empowers you to focus on your healing rather than dwelling on the negativity. Forgiveness involves releasing the anger and hurt you feel about a situation. It's like setting these heavy emotions free so that they don't drag you down. Holding on to anger and hurt can be emotionally draining. Forgiveness is a way of unburdening yourself and finding peace within. Forgiveness is a conscious decision to prioritize peace in your life instead of holding on to resentment. It's about steering your emotions towards a more positive direction. When you forgive, it is like opening a door to let go of negative emotions. It is a way of freeing yourself from the weight of grudges and bitterness. Why is forgiveness important? Forgiving doesn't mean forgetting, but it releases the grip of negativity on your heart. It is a way to break free from the past and create space for healing. Holding on to grudges is like carrying heavy baggage. Forgiveness is setting that baggage down and walking away lighter. How to practice forgiveness? Acknowledge the hurt. Recognize the pain caused by the situation. Don't ignore it. Acknowledging it is the first step to letting it go. Understand the other side. Try to understand the perspective of the person who hurt you. It doesn't justify their actions, but it helps you see the bigger picture. Release resentment. Forgiveness is a choice to release resentment. It's not about saying the other person was right. It's about choosing peace over prolonged fear. Focus on healing. Redirect your energy towards healing. Engage in activities that bring you joy and nurture your well-being. Set boundaries. If necessary, establish boundaries to protect yourself from future harm. Forgiveness doesn't mean putting yourself in a vulnerable position again. Give yourself time. Forgiveness is a process, not an instant switch. Be patient with yourself as you work through your emotions. Meditation for forgiveness. Sit comfortably in a quiet space. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Focus on your breath, inhaling positivity and exhaling negativity. Feel the connection between your body and the ground. Picture the person or event that caused you pain. Allow any emotions to surface without judgment. In your mind, express how you felt and the impact it had on you. Acknowledge the hurt. Visualize forgiving this person. See yourself letting go of the negative emotions, like releasing balloons into the sky. Envision a warm, healing light surrounding you. Feel it washing away the residual pain and replacing it with tranquility. Repeat affirmations like, I choose to forgive, and I release the hold this has on me. Let these affirmations resonate within you. Imagine your heart opening up to love and understanding. Feel a sense of liberation as you let go of the burden. End with thoughts of gratitude for the lessons learned. Understand that forgiveness is a gift to yourself. Slowly return. When ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present. Open your eyes and carry the sense of forgiveness with you into your day. I hope now you would have got an idea of forgiveness, and I am sure you would have enjoyed the beautiful meditation. If you have any questions or want to share something, kindly write in the comment section below. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you.